There we go. Look at a big one. As soon as the bait hit the water, dude, smoked it.
Holy, look at the size of that thing.
These are the ones
Yes.
that you come out looking for. So far, nighttime is proven to be the right time. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Oh, dude, he's a giant.
That's what the nighttime does. Woo! You hear that?
Huh?
Sasquatch in the bush.
Where?
Right there, I seen him.
There's absolutely no better feeling, if you ask me, in fishing than seeing a fish busted on the surface. I mean, it's absolutely, you know, your heart is pretty incredible. Whether it's a smallmouth bass on a popper or a largemouth in the jungle, I love it. Oh, look at them all coming. You got, oh, I got it. Got it. Oh, he does.
Look at this size. Oh, I think I can smoke.
Oh,
That's
man.
huge, man.
Giant smallie.
Jeez.
Dude, he inhaled it. There was 2 or 3 of them with him.
Are the talons out there?
Yeah. Oh, dude.
He inhaled that thing, eh?
He absolutely inhaled that bait right there. It is absolutely gonzo. I guess he wanted that live target bait ball in a big, big way. I need some flies. Oh, that fish right there absolutely inhaled that bait. What a giant, giant small jaw. Oh, get him back in the water. Jim, that's an awesome fish.
That's awesome, man. I want one.
Oh, unbelievable. Oh, they came out after that thing like a pack of wolves.